Vlogmas. I'm very happy today because
I'm traveling to India, so I've come to.
yes, I am traveling to India. In fact, I'm very happy because I'm traveling to India after almost 2 years, and I'm very excited. I'm going with my small baby. So I've just come to buy small things for my family back there in India, and I will take you guys along and I will show you what all I want to buy. I am buying because I want to buy everything for my baby as she's traveling for the very first time. And of course the climate there is very cold and here is extremely hot, so I will buy some winter wear for her food and everything, because we are going next week, so we have just 1 week left, and during the weeks we are completely occupied. So I'm just there next to a mall. I am going inside, and let's start with today's vlog. The Christmas, there's no place to park the car, completely packed. Let's go. Guys, there's a shop called Kiabi in Abidjan. You can see the board, it is there inside this small capsule. I've also vlogged this supermarket already, so you will see a shop inside this mall which is Kiabi, and it is very reasonable. The dresses are reasonable and good quality, so especially for the kids, if you are searching for the shop to buy clothes, you can just go here because they have good quality clothes and not very expensive. Yes, there are other places as well where you will get cheaper prices clothes, but comparatively the quality here I find it better because I always go here to buy clothes for Ria. So yes, if you're searching for a good shop to buy clothes for your kids and yourself as well, you can just go here, and you will find different varieties with not very expensive price. So let's go inside. I'm going to this shop actually, and I will show you how the shop is from inside. We had to quickly finish with Kiabi because there were many people and it is really not safe to be there for long as we are traveling. So we quickly finished, and as you saw, I was able to shoot only a small part of it. But yes, the shop is very nice, so when there are not many people, you can consider going there. So we have come to a supermarket to buy some of the things for my baby. So
think if you are in Abidjan, and if you are in Abidjan during Christmas, you must really try this milk chocolates. They decorate the milk chocolates with milk chocolates with the theme of Christmas. You will see chocolates with Santa Claus, chocolates with Christmas tree, chocolates with different designs, and these are all milk chocolates, very yummy. So you must try these. And also there's a shop that I was telling you in one of my vlogs. I've already told you about the shop called Pachi. It is a luxury chocolate shop. I will take you guys there right now, and you will see how beautifully they have decorated the chocolates. So if someone who really loves chocolate should really go there. So if you're considering to buy a gift for someone who really loves chocolate, you can just pick some of these and gift it to them. They will be and gift it to them. They will be really happy. So
having my smoothie. This time it's Christmas, so how nice they have decorated the smoothie as well. Just see, it looks like a very beautiful Christmas tree. It has vanilla. This one is vanilla with gems and a kind of biscuit that they put white, green, red, yellow, and it looks very beautiful.